Hello, Lady Trans Lovies. I'm your girl Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment below. So Thursdays are for KwaMaMkhize on Twitter threads. So here is what people had to say about KwaMaMkhize episode 2. Take a look. I'm out. Till next time.
I'd rather play soccer. German's a lot of work.
You need to push him to the direction that, hey, this is your thing. Take responsibility.
Uyavilapho Sibahle. This year, I'm closing quite a lot of chapters. SARS is like a thorn that was never going away from me. I haven't decided what I'm going to do, but I don't think I'm gonna let it go.